Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is June 10th, 2025, and here are our top stories. AI job cuts, AI divisions, AI and media, drone control, AI job cuts. A recent survey by the IFO Institute reveals that a quarter of German companies anticipate job reductions due to artificial intelligence over the next 5 years. The industry sector seems most affected, with more than a third of companies expecting a workforce decrease. Meanwhile, nearly 30% of the trade sector also foresees reductions, compared to over 80% of construction companies that predict no change. While two-thirds of businesses see no employment change from AI, a small percentage anticipates new jobs. Some companies expect technology-related services such as IT to grow by over 10%, signaling AI's potential to create new job profiles while also posing productivity challenges. AI divisions. LeCun, a leading AI researcher at Meta, recently had sharp words for Anthropic's CEO Dario Amodei on Threads, highlighting ideological divides within the AI community on the subject of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. LeCun labeled Amodei an AI doomer who still works on AGI, questioning his intellectual honesty and morality. LeCun suggested Amodei might suffer from a superiority complex, believing only he is enlightened enough to handle AI, while the general public is not. This debate stems from the approach of companies like Anthropic and OpenAI, which focus on rapidly commercializing advanced large language models. LeCun criticizes these models for their limitations, including a lack of logical understanding, physical world comprehension, and rational thinking. Instead, LeCun and his team at Meta are developing world models to build a comprehensive understanding of the environment. Recently, Meta introduced VGPA, an AI model that learns physical concepts through videos, demonstrating superior physics understanding compared to other multimodal models like Gemini or Qwen, even with less training data. AI in media. A recent report from the British Film Institute delves into the influence of generative artificial intelligence on the UK's film, TV, and gaming sectors. The findings reveal that while artificial intelligence largely operates behind the scenes, it is increasingly shaping creative processes, enhancing efficiency, and enabling new business models. However, significant concerns persist regarding copyright issues, job displacement, cultural homogenization, and environmental impacts. The report advises targeted support, training, transparent standards, and licenses for artificial intelligence training using copyrighted materials. Without strategic planning, the British Film Institute warns of potential loss of international competitiveness. Drone control. MIT researchers have crafted a new machine learning-based adaptive control algorithm that keeps autonomous drones on track, even when faced with unpredictable forces like gusty winds. The innovative approach requires no prior knowledge of the disturbances it encounters. Instead, the control system's AI model learns from just 15 minutes of flight data. This technique uses meta-learning to automatically select the best optimization algorithm tailored to the drone's specific challenges, achieving 50% less trajectory tracking error in simulations. The team is now testing their control system on real drones under varied wind conditions and other disturbances. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.